One of the best qualities of being a Filipino is our hardworking nature. Pouring our hearts and dedication into our work is our way of showing pride in our country. However, stress is an inevitable part of life, and we know that stress is harmful to both mental and physical health. So in this video, I will show you how we can manage our stress level by taking a holistic approach with natural remedies that can be an effective solution for a soothed mind and body connection. Enjoying a cup of chamomile tea can ease jitters and promote relaxation before bed. When taking in concentrated doses, such as supplement form, chamomile has been said to produce calming effects similar to sedative. While lemon is often an invigorating, fresh scent used in the kitchen, it can also work to soothe stress. A recent study from Japan says that a 10-minute aromatherapy session using yuzu or a Japanese citrus lemon significantly reduced heart rate. Bergamot has become a popular essential oil for relieving tension and anxiety. And backed by scientific studies, aromatherapy treatment with bergamot essential oil stimulates the brain to exert neurotransmitters like serotonin and dopamine to promote calmness. Lavender is known for its gorgeous floral and grassy aroma, but it may also be a natural remedy for anxiety and stress. Just a few drops in your bath can increase mental relaxation. "30 minutes of exercise a day can have a huge effect on your mental health. It pumps up your endorphins that will help reduce feelings of stress, anxiety, and depression.